Hello and welcome back to my channel everyone. So today we are going to do a pick a card reading which I am going to channel some messages for you all. But before we get started, let's just listen to this sound and calm our minds. We are having two piles for this reading. So this is pile 1 and this is pile 2. Pay close attention to each and every crystal and pick the crystal or the pile which attracts you the most. Who has selected this tower, which is of rose quartz tower? So let's just see what this reading holds for you. So as you can see, the tower is the card for you, which means that you might be doing something really well right now. You might be at the position where everything is going perfect, everything is looking nice, and you are taking the great decisions which you need to take, and everything is smooth. But this smoothness is not something which you should take for granted. And there are two types of people right now in this pile. One who is going through a really good time and one who is suffering from a lot more things. Why I'm telling you? Because एक प्रकार के जो लोग हैं ना जिनके साथ अभी तक ये हुआ नहीं है, सो दिस इज़ वार्निंग फॉर यू. एंड एक प्रकार के लोग हैं जिनके साथ ये ऑलरेडी हुआ है, सो दिस इज़ द लेसन फॉर यू. तो जब भी आप कोई चीज़ कर रहे हैं और या फिर कुछ ऐसी चीज़ हो रही है जो बहुत ही आपके फेवर में काम कर रही है, आप बहुत ही अच्छे से काम कर रहे हैं, तो वो सेंस ऑफ प्राइड होता है जो आ जाता है. और वो सेंस ऑफ प्राइड की वजह से जो है ये टावर वाली सिचुएशन आती है जब सब कुछ बिगड़ जाता है ऐसे पॉइंट पे पहुंच के जहाँ पे यू हैव अचीव्ड एवरीथिंग बट यू स्टिल फील कि यू नो मैंने बहुत कुछ कर लिया है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट प्राइड का फीलिंग थिंग्स गेट डिमोलिश्ड लाइक दिस. सो जिन लोगों को ऑलरेडी अभी तकलीफ़ हो रही है या फिर जो लोग ऑलरेडी सफ़र कर रहे हैं, सो दिस इज़ द मैसेज फॉर यू दैट यू शुड ऑलवेज गिव क्रेडिट टू द ऑल माइटी और टू द गॉड, so that you have to surrender every time. If you don't surrender, this feeling of pride comes down and that makes us rigid, and due to that ego develops, and उसकी वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा issues होते हैं, जैसे कि आप कुछ लोग उसमें से जा रहे होंगे. और जो लोग नहीं है, जो लोग अभी भी अच्छी पोजीशन में सब कुछ स्मूथ जा रहा है, पर आप लोग को लग रहा है कि आपको जो है सेंस ऑफ प्राइड आ रहा है, सो दिस इज़ अ राइट टाइम टू give credit to the Almighty and to surrender, right? Let's see what else messages you have. So we have King of Wands, which again confirms that you are at a good position right now. Things are going well for you, and you might be someone who is in authority, who takes good decision. Then we have a Wands. Wands again means, which we have 3 of wands, which means that you are ready, you have ambitions, you have plans which you are just about to execute. And with that we have this cups, which is 6 of cups. So 6 of cups again talks about taking help and taking guidance. So here your guides are suggesting you that your plan is really well, your experience is really good, and whatever you're planning is going to work 100%. But you should always consider other people's opinion. I'm not saying that just take their opinions and follow what they say, बट यू शुड ऑलवेज बी ओपन टू द गाइडेंस. बिकॉज वैन यू हैव दैट ईगो, जब आपको वो ईगो आ जाता है ना, तब आप बहुत रिजिड हो जाते हैं, आप किसी की बात समझ नहीं पाते, सुन नहीं पाते. पर ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं कि हमको जो आता है वही है सब कुछ. इस दुनिया में बहुत सारी दूसरी भी चीज़ें हैं जो हमको कंसिडर करनी चाहिए. सो स्पिरिट्स आपको वही बोल रही है कि वो आपको हेल्प करने की कोशिश कर रही है, वो आपको इमोशनली स्ट्रेंथन करने की कोशिश कर रही है, पर आपका जो ध्यान है बहुत ही फिज़िकल मटीरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड पे है. आपका ध्यान जो है आपके इंट्यूशन पे नहीं है, आप अपने आप से कनेक्टेड नहीं हो. सो स्पिरिट्स आपसे ये कहना चाह रही है कि आप कनेक्ट होइए खुद से, और आप देखिए वो आपको बहुत सारे साइंस भेज रही हैं. सो फोकस करिए वो साइन पे. हो सकता है ये फेदर है, हो सकता है ये पर्टिकुलर बर्ड है, या फिर कोई पर्टिकुलर एनिमल है, या फिर ये इंसान के थ्रू बात कर रही है आपसे. जस्ट see, look around you, what they are trying to say, they're trying to help you out in so many ways. अगर आप उनकी मदद से ये जो आपका मिशन है या फिर काम है आगे बढ़ाओगे, तो इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू अ लॉट, क्योंकि वी आर मैजिकल बीइंग्स एंड वी शुड अलाउ अदर मैजिकल बीइंग्स टू हेल्प अस. लेट्स सी व्हाट एल्स दे हैव टू टेल. आपकी जो एनर्जी है मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा स्कैटर्ड एनर्जी लगती है, मतलब वेरी हार्ड टू फोकस. आप कुछ ऐसा काम कर रहे हो सकते हो जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा कर रहे हो. यू माइट बी हैविंग टू मच इनटू योर प्लेट दैट you're not really free, you're not really you don't really have that much time to pay attention, close attention to any particular thing. Here spirits are trying to tell me that आप लोगों को जो डिटेल्स पर है ध्यान देना है. यू आर मिसिंग आउट मेजर डिटेल्स एंड यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन those major details. You are not really focusing on to those details. That is why so many things are happening. And emotionally मुझे लग रहा है कि some people are not really showing their vulnerability to the uh, they are not allowing themselves to show the vulnerability to the world or to the god or to certain close people. So you need to show your vulnerability. आप ये तो हो ही. You are fire, I know you're passionate, I know you want to do so much, but if you are not healing yourself, if you are really not taking care of your emotional well-being, then this fire is not really going to lit up as you want. It will drag you down somewhere or the other, because you need to heal yourself, you need to let yourself flow. Where are you going to go with this much of the burden? So spirits are telling you to be vulnerable, to be open, show your emotions, don't be closed. That's why I understand that why you're not yeah, you might be someone जो किसी को अपने पास आने नहीं दे रहा है. ये हो सकता है कि आपको लोग अप्रोच कर रहे होंगे रिलेशनशिप के लिए, बट यू आर नॉट रियली रेडी, यू आर नॉट शोइंग योर ट्रू सेल्फ टू द पीपल, यू आर कीपिंग इट, you're hiding it, you are not being vulnerable. That vulnerability you have, you're not showing it to anyone, and that is really difficult. And you should show that vulnerability to at least the spirit or the god or the mother or the friend which you trust so much, or who understand you so much. Spirits are saying you to be vulnerable, be open, heal yourself. Everything is going to be fine. Spirits are always there for you. They are keep on showing you signs and omens, but you are not really paying attention to it because you are too busy to do some things. मतलब यहाँ पे मुझे ये लग रहा है कि आप कोई चीज़ में से जा रहे हो, some event which has took place recently, जिसकी वजह से आपको issue हो रहा है, you are hurt, but in order to forget that event, you are involving yourself into different things, and you are pretending to be busy, and you're completely ignoring your emotional part, which spirits are telling you not to ignore. Spirits want you to acknowledge that part, heal that part, and then move forward. Otherwise it will be hard for you to move forward. So that was it for you, pile 1. I hope you like this reading. Please let me know in the comment section, and thank you so very much. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. People who has selected this clear quartz tower, this reading is for you. So my darlings, I see you are very aligned. You might be doing so many things to take care of yourself, your energy, your work. Your energy is very high. I see you're very bubbly, very cheerful, very happy, and everything is going very fine with you. Everything is aligned. You might be feeling lucky nowadays. You kind of feel that everything is lining up slowly. Puzzle जो है वो सही से boxes में गिर रहा है, and you might be feeling so good and so happy. That is the vibe which I'm sensing. And finally सारी जो चीज़ें हैं वो ऑर्डर के साथ जा रही है, वो ऑर्गेनाइज है, वो सारी चीज़ें जो है मॉरली करेक्ट है, एथिकली करेक्ट है, and everything is really nice. So spirits are really happy to see you. They want you to be happy all the time. When you are happy, they are always there with you. You might be feeling tingling sensation all over your body when you feel so happy, or when you feel very organized, या फिर आपको काम करने के बाद थोड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता होगा, तो आपको ये जो टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन है वो फील होती होगी. जो लोग बहुत सेंसिटिव है अपने बॉडी के बारे में, उन लोग को ये पता चल रहा होगा कि जो टिंगलिंग सेंसेशन है वो कब कब आती है। तो अगर आती है तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो, एंड या लेट्स सी मोर व्हाट स्पिरिट्स आर ट्राइंग टू टेल। आप जो है बहुत ही उस प्रकार के इंसान हैं जिसको सारी चीज़ें ऑर्डर में चाहिए, जिसको सारी चीज़ें एथिकल चाहिए, जिसको कोई भी जो है रॉन्ग वे से करने वाली, शॉर्टकट से करने वाली चीज़ें नहीं पसंद है। और आप जो भी करते हैं वो एथिक्स के साथ करते हैं, मॉरल्स के साथ करते हैं, आपके सेट ऑफ प्रिंसिपल है, आप उसी अकॉर्डिंग चलते हैं, राइट। एंड कुछ लोग जो है, जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो, कुछ लोग जो है उनको ये चीज़ नहीं पसंद, उनको वो जो काम है, जो भी काम है, ये वर्क प्लेस के रिलेटेड हो सकता है, ये रिलेशनशिप के रिलेटेड हो सकता है, तो उनको जो है वो चीज़ें नहीं पसंद आपके बारे में, कि आप एथिकली काम कर रहे हैं, आप टाइम टू टाइम काम कर रहे हैं, या फिर कोई भी चीज़ आप पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में कर रहे हैं, यू हैव मॉरल्स। बट सम पीपल डोंट रियली लाइक इट, एंड दैट्स व्हाई दे आर बैक पिचिंग अबाउट यू, और दे were back bitching about you, and you might be feeling very sad, depressed, because you might be feeling left out, या फिर ऐसे फील हो रहा होगा आपको कि ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, why people are not accepting me as I am, why they want me to follow certain things which they do, but I want to follow my own thing. So वो जो टाइम था, मुझे लग रहा है कि आपके लिए कुछ समय पहले, recently I don't see you like that, but in the past I completely sense that you were going through something which was not really helping you out, which were making you feel sad. You might be somebody who was feeling very low, या फिर कुछ काम करने का मन नहीं कर रहा होगा, but always you had God with you. This is Krishna, your universe, or it can be a friend. Spirits are telling you that your God and your faith was so strong that they were standing right beside you, just to make sure that you're fine. They were all the time telling you कि we are here, we are helping you, we are there for you. You might be getting some signs like tingling, as I mentioned earlier. ऐसे कुछ हो रहा होगा आपको बॉडी में, या फिर कहीं ना कहीं से आपको कुछ मैसेजेस मिल रहे होंगे थ्रू द इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट और रील्स, या फिर कुछ ना कुछ की ओर से they are trying to give you this message that they are always there with you, they are listening to you, they are caring for you. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, तो ये जो स्टेज था वहाँ से आप उठे हैं, एंड देन द स्पिरिट ऑफ वॉरियर, द पैशन फॉर व्हाट यू डू रियली ट्रू फॉर यू, इट इज़ लाइक कि आपको मिल गया वो रास्ता जो आपको चाहिए था, एंड फाइनली यू गॉट दैट करेज दैट मैं जो हूँ मैं वही रहूँगा, मैं किसी के लिए नहीं बदलूँगा, मैं गलत नहीं हूँ, तो मैं क्यों अपनी चीज़ें रोकूँ, या फिर मैं क्यों अपना बिहेवियर चेंज करूँ, राइट। So you came stronger, and spirits are so happy to see you that way. They see you this way and they want you to be that way constantly. You don't need to change in order to fit in, or you don't need to change, because people are different. We all are unique and you are different, and this difference make you, or this uniqueness makes you very very special, and your purpose is very different. So just please hold on to yourself and be your authentic self. Don't try to fit in, or don't be sad about who you truly are, right? That's what spirits are trying to tell you. They were always there with you, they will always be there with you, and they feel so happy when you are passionate, when you are into your real form. They feel so good. They always give you this messages, or this tingling sensation, or the omens, to tell you that how happy they are to see you this way. And the last card which we have here, right, it is about you, it is about your happiness. You're very happy, you might have achieved some good इनकम, या फिर क्लाइंट्स आपने मैनिफेस्ट किए होंगे, आप जो भी बिजनेस में है, जॉब में है, या फिर लव रिलेशनशिप चाहते हैं, वो सारी चीज़ें लाइन अप हो रही है स्लोली स्लोली। एक ये जो फेस है उसके बाद जो चीज़ें हैं वो लाइन अप हो रही है, एंड स्पिरिट्स कह रही है कि और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपकी लाइफ में आएंगी। बट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग स्पिरिट्स यही कह रही हैं कि यू शुड ऑलवेज बी हैप्पी एंड फ्री फ्लोइंग. When you are like that, everything you attract. Yes, see, Knights of Wands. So this passion of what you want to create, and what you are, and what you want to be, this is always going to help you. But if you are free flowing without thinking about anyone, here people are involved, but here nobody's involved, here nobody's involved. So you are unique, your own individual, and you can do wonders. Just don't give in to this society के जो norms है, just don't give in to that, you know. You have so much potential, you can do everything, whatever you want. You are attracting right now, your energies are really high and everything is going really nicely. Just focus on the flow. Let me just give one more card for you, which is Hierophant. Yeah, so spirits are asking you to find somebody who can help you out in this situation. If you need some guidance, spirits are asking you to take guidance from them. They're asking you to take guidance from universe or your guru or anyone who is who knows more than you do. So please be open to any suggestions. If you want to connect with spirits, they are open. Do it in the meditation. I have entire video on my IGTV. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram so that you can check that video out. Ask them questions. Universe wants you to ask them question. They are ready to help you out. They are literally right beside you. Say hi to them right now. They are there for you. Just ask them what you want, and they will guide you through. All right, so that those were the messages for you, pile 2. Thank you so very much for joining in with me today. I hope you have liked this video. Don't forget to like this video and comment to my comment under my video. I'm really sorry, I'm fumbling, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.